Okay, hello. Um, this is the sixth video in the tutorial series, and what we've been able to do so far is been able to do the basic setup for the aircraft, and we've been able to set up the engines and the work. Uh, the next thing we'll be doing now is setting up the avionics and some other basic components. So let me add a new game object, call it radar. Add the radar component, and I'm very sorry for this, but before you can set up, finish the setup, you have to play and pause you have to play the scene. Now that is a problem I can fix, and I'm going to be releasing a patch in the next few days for that. The range of the radar should be around 18 kilometers. To a civilian radar, it should ping every 5 milliseconds. The detection scale should be 200. The radar background, check radar. Sorry, this is wait, which one is it? Yep, it's this one. So radar, and I have radar needle. Transparency 0.9 is engaged, but is not pivoted. I don't really like the pivoted radar, but if you're that type of person, you can choose that. The next thing is light controller. So add the light control game object, component. Save the scene. The next thing, I think let's test the radar and see if it works now. It's not, because the button is not set up. Okay. What we'll have to do now is go back to the input setup and do a very quick setup. I think that should fix that. Oh no. Light switch. Project settings, input. Access. Light switch is set up. So what is the problem? Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry. See, this is the problem. I'm not done with the full aircraft setup. That's why I'm having issues with this. So now let me have strobe light. Sorry, bulb. Bulb off. Nope. Go to the pivot. Lights. Left navigation. And that is this. So I'll have my left navigation light here. Let me move it here. And increase the size of the game object. Sorry, let me center it. Okay, so I'm going to move it so that it goes right with the position I have here. Okay, now the next thing is the bright navigation light. Let me position it correctly. Okay, now the next thing is my landing lights. So I'm gonna move that here and reposition it so that it goes on top here. Uh, that is on the left wing, I think. Yes. Let me deactivate the halo component of this. Remove component. I think it looks better without the halo. So let me duplicate this. Let me copy and use that as a setup guide for the right landing light. Where are you? Where are you? Yes, here you are. Okay. Now I think there's another. Oh, I have two lights here. Okay. So let me duplicate that. Copy that and paste that in here. Control V. That's door one. Then let me center it here. Alright. Now let me copy this and use that to set up that for. Oh, sorry. This is the door I want to set up for. Alright. I think I have enough landing lights now. So let me save the scene and see if the components. Okay. Do you have any strobe lights? Alright, you have a beacon, a top beacon light on the tail. So let me position this. I'm sorry about it. All right, I think that is all for the lights combo. Oh, sorry, I have to parent this to the beacon light to the tail, vertical tail. Oh yes. All right, I think that's all for the light setup. I'll see you in the next video.